Okay, boys and girls, it's time for Saxon Phonics lesson 44. All right, while Miss Spires gets all her stuff ready over here, I want you to start looking at some of your spelling words. Your spelling test for List 8 is tomorrow. Make sure you study. You can use Spelling City, or you can choose to do like a practice spelling test at home. Just study. All right, so I have your words ham, plot, bus, curb, theft, and rich. We're going to put these words in alphabetical order. We're going to alphabetize them. All right, I want you to start looking at the first letter in each of these and see if we can use it as our guide letter. All right, so start looking at them, and Miss Spires is going to go get her clicker, and we will be ready to start. All right, so what is the first letter in ham? It is H. What's the first letter in plot? P. Bus. It is B. Curb. C. Theft. T. And in rich, it's R. Alright, do any of our words use the same first letter? No. Alright, so we can use our first letter as our guide letter. We'll use it to help us put those words in ABC order. So we're not going to look at the other letters in the word to help us put it in ABC order. Just that first letter that we've underlined. Now we can use the process we've been doing. All right, look at your alphabet strip, and let's put these in ABC order. All right, what's the first letter in the alphabet? A. Do we have a word that begins with A? No. What comes after A? B. Do we have a B word? Yes. What is it? It's bus. So we move it to the first line. What comes after B? C. Do we have a C word? Yes, we do. What is it? Curb. All right, what comes after C? D. Do we have a word that starts with D? No. E? No. F? No. G? No. H? Yes, what word? Ham. All right, what comes after H, boys and girls? I. Do we have a word that starts with I? No. What comes after I? J. Do we have a J word? No. K? No. L? No. M? No. N? No. What comes after N? O. Do we have an O? No. P? Yes, what word? Plot. Right after P is Q. Do we have a Q word? No. After Q is R. Do we have an R word? Yes. What is it? Rich. So that means our last word in ABC order will be theft with a T. Okay. Now we have put 6 of our spelling words in ABC order. All right, we'll keep practicing. Before too long, you guys will be practicing. All right, let's get started with our lesson. So today is the last workbook pages in your packet with Lesson 8 spelling. So that means tomorrow you will have a Saxon Phonics test, and you will also have your spelling test. All right, you have Saxon Review page 44, name on it. We're going to learn about compound words today, so that will be your practice page at the end. All right, as you're putting your name on it, let's do our review today. All right, name the letters. Final stable syllable, D-L-E. Final stable syllable, P-L-E. Final stable syllable, G-L-E. Final stable syllable, T-L-E. Final stable syllable, F-L-E. Final stable syllable, B-L-E. O consonant E, A. Combination I-R, H. Combination E-R, N. I consonant E. Digraph E-E. Digraph C-K, Q. Digraph O-O. Digraph S-H, E. A consonant E. Digraph T-H, E consonant E. Combination Q-U. V. Combination O-R. X. Combination U-R. Combination A-R. U consonant E. Combination W-H. Digraph C-H. All right, your affix cards. You add an affix to a root word to change the meaning. So far we've learned suffixes. They're added at the end of a word to change the meaning. Suffix S means more than one. Suffix less means without. Suffix ed means it's already happened. It's in the past. Suffix ing means it's happening right now. All right, your sight word cards. Let's read these the fast way. Says, push, put, been, won, don't, said, won't, should, pull, what, together, would, does, won't, full, where, there, a place, come, bush, was, for, some, have, could, tomorrow, something, love, there, it belongs to them, your, goes. All right, before we start our paper today, let's go over our final stable syllable sounds from yesterday. Bubble, final stable syllable, B-L-E, bull. Bottle, final stable syllable, T-L-E, tool. Candle, final stable syllable, D-L-E, dull. Ruffle, final stable syllable, F-L-E, full. Bugle, final stable syllable, G-L-E, ghoul. Staple, final stable syllable, P-L-E, pool. Alright, now let's go over your review sounds. Number 1, ooh. Yes, ooh. 2 ways. Write it. What are the 2 ways? L, final L, L, the floss rule. Number 2, S. Yes, S. 2 ways. All right, what are the 2 ways? S, final SS, the floss rule. Number 3, or. Yes, or. Write it. What letters? Combination O-R. All right, number 4. Yes, as in butter. Write it. Now what letters? Combination ER. ER is the one as in butter. That is the most common sound of ER. You also can say it with other sounds, but that's the most common. All right, number 5. Yes, write it. What vowel? U with a brief, short U. Number 6, digraph. Yes. Write it. What letters? Digraph TH. Number 7. Ooh. Yes, ooh. It is also a digraph sound. What letters? Digraph OO. That is one of the sounds of OO. Number 8. E. Yes, E. Write it. 2 ways in the initial position, 1 way in the final. long E, you can have digraph E in the middle position or in the final. Alright, and then you can also have E with a macron in the beginning or medial position. So you should have digraph EE, comma E with a macron, and then final digraph EE. Alright, number 9 is a combination. Cool. Yes, cool. Write it. What letters? Q-U sticks like glue. Q-U sticks like glue. Combination Q-U. All right, let's practice some review spelling patterns. Number 10. Let's spell class. Class is one of our collective nouns. We are a class of students. Class. Tell me the sounds you hear in class. Get ready. K, L, A, S. Again. K, L, A, S. Class. Think about your K spelling and floss rule. Spell class on number 10. Let's spell class. C-L-A-S-S, class. All right, remember we spell with K if it is E, I, or Y. So we had a consonant, so we spell with K. And then we have a floss rule.
Miss Lovern, I have a phone call.
All right, so floss rule, short vowel followed by the S sound. We have twin S's for the floss rule. Class. Number 11, cork. Cork. My drink had a cork top in it. Cork. Tell me the sounds you hear in cork. Get ready. K, or, k. Again. K, or, right, you hear the k sound at the beginning and the end. Think about that spelling pattern. Spell cork on number 11. Cork, C-O-R-K, cork. All right. If it's E, I, or Y, you spell with K. It's not, so we spell with C. And then at the end, if it's a short vowel, we've learned to spell with CK. We don't have a short vowel, so we're spelling with K. C-O-R-K in cork. All right, and the last one today with our review words, sick. I am sick today and don't feel like doing anything. Sick. Tell me your sounds in sick. Get ready. S, ick. Again. S, ick. Spell sick on number 12. Sick. Okay, let's spell sick. S-I-C-K. We've got a short vowel sound followed by K. It is C-K. All right, starting on your sight words, your funny words. Number 13, put. Put. I will put my answer on the line. Put. Number 13, write it. All right, let's spell put. P-U-T. What word? Put. Number 14, pull. Pull. I will pull the rope hard. Pull. Spell pull on number 14. All right, let's spell pull. P-U-L-L. What word? Pull. All right, and your last sight word. If I can spell pull, I can spell the sight word full. I ate a lot, and now I am full. Spell full on number 15. Let's spell full. F-U-L-L. full. You just change your beginning letter to change from pull to full. Okay, now for our sentence. All right, yesterday we talked about how to show dialogue in our writing. Remember, dialogue is showing someone doing what? Someone talking. All right, when we show someone talking, we use quotation marks. Remember, there are those marks up in the air. All right, we put those quotation marks around what the person is saying. All right, what is the punctuation mark we use right before the quotation marks? We use a comma right before the quotation marks. That's right, to tell who is talking. All right? But sometimes the dialogue comes first, and then we tell who's speaking. When this happens, we put a comma just inside the final quotation marks. All right, now who remembers what it means when a word has an apostrophe S? Yes, it shows possession. That means something belongs to someone. All right, now listen to this sentence. Tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. Listen again. Tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. Say it with me. Tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. One more time. Tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. All right, tell me the sentence. Get ready. Yes, tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. All right, write that sentence on your paper. Try to put in your punctuation. It's okay if you don't get it perfect. We're going to practice it. Tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tad's sister. All right, try to write it, and then we'll go over it. Right, let's look at that sentence. Tell me where the bundle of wood is. Right, that is what Tad's sister is saying. So your quotation mark should be at the beginning where tell is, and at the end where is located. Right, this time it says who is talking at the end. So the comma will go inside of it. So it's different this time. So your comma will go here this time. All right, now it says, said Tad's sister. All right, so it's telling you the sister belongs to Tad. So apostrophe S on Tad's. Tad is the boy's name. So it needs a capital letter. All right, so check your work. Look carefully at it.